Get ready to unlock the power of the world's most important economic indicator, GDP. Hi there. In this video, we'll dive into what gross domestic product or GDP really means and why it's the driving force behind financial markets everywhere. Gross domestic product, or GDP, is the measure of the total value of goods and services produced in a country. It's calculated by adding up all the spending on consumption, investment, government purchases, and net exports. This number provides a snapshot of a country's economic activity and is considered one of the most important indicators of a nation's overall economic health. So, why does GDP matter to the financial markets? When GDP is growing, it signals that the economy is expanding, and this can lead to increased investment and consumer confidence. Strong GDP numbers can also drive up stock prices, as investors see it as a sign of economic stability. This stability can lead to a strong currency, which can attract foreign investment, further boosting the economy. On the other hand, weak GDP numbers can indicate a slowing economy and can cause stocks to decline. This can have a negative impact on the financial markets and can lead to a decrease in consumer and business spending, which can have a ripple effect throughout the economy. That's why it's important to understand what GDP is and why it matters to the financial markets. It's a key tool in making informed investment decisions and navigating the financial world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Finance Minute for more videos like this, breaking down complex financial concepts into simple, easy-to-understand explanations.